Hi, I'm Wayne Hartmann from NXT-9, and in the next 5 minutes I'm going to take you on a very quick tour through the NXT-9 X-ray and share with you how it will add value for you. Let's get started. Essentially, the NXT-9 X-ray is a tool that helps you do a few things. It helps you identify where you should focus your business building efforts. It helps you understand where the priorities are and what you should do about those gaps, and it also provides you with an understanding of best practice around those recommendations. So just to show you around the tool, you get given a spider graph that shows your relative strengths in each of 8 different business disciplines: strategy, execution, people, board and advisors, sales and marketing, ops, finance and capital. Gives you a business maturity index that shows you where you are in your business building life cycle. And what you then get is an understanding of team divergence, how your team sees your business building activities. Do you see the same way or not? As I said, then it gives you the results. You can deep dive into any particular section and go and have a look at where the gaps actually are. So it gives you an understanding of where the gaps actually are by discipline. You can go and have a look through each of them, and in each case it gives you a required score, a gut feel score, and an actual score based on an in-depth set of questions that you've been asked. And the most important part is it gives you a set of recommendations. So now you know where your gaps are. Now you need to know what to go and do about it. So there's a set of recommendations. It's prioritized into a top 10. So you don't have to iterate around and guess where to go and focus your efforts. You should go straight to your top 10 and always just work on your top 10. So in each case, there is a survey response. There's a recommendation that gets made by the X-ray. It's driven by an algorithm and some artificial intelligence. And your coach is able to make a comment as well. And there's a link to relevant content to help you understand the best practice. You'll be able to have a method for updating your progress on that recommendation as well. You'll be able to create the initiatives, complete them, submit for approval, and tick off that the goal has been achieved, in which case you will then have your BMI updated and the top 10 will be updated as well. So essentially, you'll be able to engage with this tool on an ongoing basis, keep on working on your top 10 and build your business as you go along, using the X-ray as the tool for doing it. Now, if you want to understand more about best practice, there's an Academy section that has a lot of good material in it, resources by different categories, a whole lot of tools and templates and nanobooks, videos and articles, and a useful search feature. There are a bunch of courses as well. These are digital versions of boot camps that we run, and you can access them here and use them as well. There are a few versions of the X-ray. There's a freemium version, a premium version, and there will be a pro version that's coming down the road. What I've been showing you here is the premium version. The free version basically is focused on the execution discipline, just to give you a feel for how the X-ray actually works. It does exactly the same thing. You do a survey and it'll show you where you are on execution, and then in the Academy essentially you will have access to all of the execution elements of the Academy. So that's what the freemium version is. So you can try it out, you can have a look at it, and obviously we are hoping that you go with the full version. And if you like that, you can then engage with us and we'll get you signed up and using in double quick time. I hope you found that helpful. If you do, then let's get stuck in and get you using the tool. Thanks for listening.